scientists say you should stay away from them. When you cough, germs spread everywhere and they get people sick. This is hand sanitizer, and you put it after you cough. You should put it on so you could get the germs off. Ow! Cover your mouth. Sorry. Your germs are getting everywhere.
What are germs?
Germs are like monsters. They get you sick and they give you viruses.
Well, who and where, why, how? Well, everybody needs to cover their mouth when you cough. When you're done coughing and you wash your hands or use hand sanitizer. Where? Everywhere you go. And why? Because when you cough, germs come out and make people sick. And lastly, how? Cover your mouth when you cough.
G-E-R-M-S.
Germs! Germs are bad. Germs are bad. Germs you don't want to get on your body. Germs you need to take away. Germs!